Hi, Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who were born in the year of the dragon in the area of health?
Now, the dragon is into its own year. Usually, some energies may be taken over by the year. So, as the health is concerned, be careful about small accidents and small illnesses. So, take the time to do things, don't rush. Especially when driving, be more careful and rest well and do more exercise.
And how about in the area of career?
Career-wise, the dragon people will be quite spiritual, okay, very intuitive. So, and they should, based on their sixth sense, to make decisions. So, if they are in a job dealing with the writing, arts, architecture, and also problem solving, and also reorganization and organization type of work, and logistics and transportations, they should do well in those areas.
And in the area of wealth?
Only regular income, a non-speculative income, so stay away from gambling.
And lastly, the area of marriage.
Aha, there's a lot of romance signs with the dragon people, so they better focus. But the conflicts may be there because of these extra romance signs. So it will be a good year for romances, but not a good year to get married.
Happy Chinese New Year!
恭喜發財!